Get L.L.C at site to import bitumen from UAE. See how a Japanese buyer availed L.L.C at site from us to import bitumen. To find a right solution for your day-to-day trade finance requirements, subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon. A Japanese buyer decided to import bitumen of high grades from a reliable UAE supplier. The buyer and the supplier agreed to import high grades of bitumen on the basis of L.L.C at site. The Japanese buyer searched for the ways to get L.L.C at site without blocking their cash funds. The buyer contacted us with their L.L.C request. We worked on their L.L.C transaction and issued L.L.C at site from our European bank account within 48 hours. Do you require L.L.C at site to conclude your overseas trade transactions? Submit your L.L.C requirements to us. Contact us now. Email us support@bwtradefinance.com. Call us 97145519699. Call or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487761. Visit www.bwtradefinance.com.